During May and the beginning of June 2023, France experienced a series of storms and floods, resulting in significant damage and disruptions. Météo-France, the national meteorological agency, issued orange level alerts for 65 departments in the country, marking the first time in 2 decades such warnings were warranted. The Bas-Rhin department was hit by a tornado, accompanied by heavy rain and hailstorms. Additionally, flooding and a mudslide were reported in ile-de-France and Lyon-Grenoble, causing damage to approximately 5 buildings. In the northern regions of Calvados, Eure and Orne, severe weather conditions prevailed, featuring strong winds, lightning strikes, and heavy hail. Consequently, damage was inflicted on various areas within these departments. Heading further south, the Haute-Savoie department experienced minor flooding due to hail and rain in the municipalities of Saint-Goriot and Menton-Saint-Bernard. Firefighters were actively involved in 75 interventions, primarily focused on clearing floodwaters from basements.
Oh putain! Oh!
Between the 10th and 14th of June 2023, the entire country was plagued by intense thunderstorms, heavy rainfall, and hailstorms, leading to widespread havoc. The Ministry of Interior reported that severe weather affected 65 departments nationwide, necessitating over 3,500 interventions by firefighters. Furthermore, the damage to power infrastructure resulted in thousands of homes being left without electricity.
Oh là là!
Flooding became a prevalent issue, submerging roads and streets across the country, including areas in Paris and the northern departments of Yvelines, Seine-Maritime, Eure, and Eure-et-Loire. In Sunchamp, Yvelines, police were compelled to rescue trapped drivers from their vehicles. Overall, 15 people sustained weather-related injuries, with 2 individuals classified as seriously injured.